We at the Pegasus right now. Yeah, we at the Pegasus right now. No, we at Fusion, right? Fusion, yeah. Hi to the nice people out here.
Yo, shut up.
Look here.
Elevated. You know what I mean? Going up on the Thursday.
Two open at the same time, it's good luck. Where we going?
Lobby.
We up in here, we're going to the Fusion. We got Pops. Pops is the tour guide. Pops like, yo, Pops still is still like on his street shit.
Yeah, he got his itch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, with a yeah, right, man.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah. Fusion. Thanks. Tell me a little bit about Fusion, man. This the place to be in GT?
Respect. What's going on? Yo, we came from the US, yo. You know what I mean? We just we trying to find the swing.
What here?
Oh, that's a nice place.
Yeah. Where?
Not far from here. The next building.
That Pegasus right there?
Yeah.
In the hotel?
Yes.
Yeah, party, big dance.
Tonight?
Yeah.
No.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
But is there anything going on over there right now? No.
No.
Is there any so Fusion right now is very quiet.
Quiet, very quiet. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. So we might have to go back to Main Street.
Yeah.
Main Street to Palm Coast.
Palm Coast.
Palm Coast is popping.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go to Palm
This
Coast.
is a date.
I'm going there this night.
Yeah.
Tonight? Yeah, because Thursday night is good over there, right?
That place is good, yeah, Palm Coast, yeah.
Yeah? Alright, that's what we gonna do.
You from GT?
No, from Africa, Nigeria.
Yeah.
You from Nigeria? Yeah. What's up, brother?
I got friends in Nigeria.
Oh.
Yeah, I got friends, man. I grew up with friends in Nigeria and Ghana.
Yeah.
They be arguing about the rice. Who got the best rice?
Nigeria.
Yeah?
Jollof rice.
Jollof. This is a beef. Yo, tell them Ghanaians y'all got the best rice.
Nigeria get the best rice. Jollof rice.
Yo, this is a real thing, you know? A real battle.
It's a battle, yo.
Yeah, it's a real.
Best.
Yeah.
I'm not telling you because I'm from there, but I'm telling you what I want.
Yeah.
Because you tasted both. You had it both.
Yeah, I tasted both already.
Yeah. What bring you to GT? What Guyana? What bring you out here?
Oh, I have some Nigerians over here.
Yeah.
You know, then I just came in up to 8 months. 8 months now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just came in. They told me.
Boy, they found oil out here, boy. In Guyana, they found oil.
Yeah.
This country gonna blow up.
Yeah, they find all that is thing.
Yeah.
You know, say America is here, British is here.
Yeah. It's big blowing up now.
Yeah, they setting the table.
They're setting the table.
Yeah.
Right now, and everybody gonna eat.
And
if
because Nigeria got big oil too. But see, now you could get a piece of the pie here.
You know Nigeria have got oil, but you just few people
Yeah.
and make use of it.
Yeah.
Right.
And but you're not gonna be like that here.
Yeah.
You're not gonna. But Nigeria, they have a lot of things, but just the leaders,
Yeah. It seems like Guyana people getting a piece of the pie out here with Airbnb and you see a lot of difference, you know?
It seems like people are positioning themselves to be in the right place at the right time. When the switch hit.
Man, you blessed. God bless you because you come here early now. You come here in the mix of it. Yeah.
I want to be part of them, So,
yeah, you gonna reap the benefit because it's like the gold rush in America. Yeah, and you when you come early to a place that
when you come here.
get.
Is it your first time here?
No, I went to school here when I was a kid.
Not
but first time here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, first time here.
Okay, first time.
But see, I ain't been here in a long time to see the change.
But you're from this.
Yeah, I'm from here. As a kid, I grew up.
Because you're
I went to school here, but I left. I came and left early.
Okay, I see.
But I had to. You gotta come back.
yeah, you gotta come back. You know.
You know, cause the British coming in, boy.
They're coming in.
Yeah, they're coming in. The oil guys, right? You see a lot of oil guys here now too.
You know, foreigners are coming different parts. You know, different parts they're coming.
You seen the difference? Tourism is big.
Tourism, yeah.
You see a difference?
You know, now it's visa free to UK. You see, Guyanese is visa free to UK.
Yeah.
Because the British know what is here.
Yeah.
So you have to work with, you know.
Yeah.
So a lot is coming this year. A lot is coming.
Yeah. They building. They building buildings like crazy.
It's gonna develop.
Yeah, it's gonna be. Somebody tell me, right? The oil man. I see the oil man on the plane.
Okay.
He tell me the oil's spilling out. He working on the oil. He said this gonna be the next Dubai.
Thank you. That's what I want to mention for you. The next Dubai.
Yeah.
I want to say to you now.
Yeah.
Next Dubai. You know.
Yeah.
You know. Wow.
Yeah. You blessed, man, cause you come here early.
Yeah.
Now you gotta just take your piece. And take your piece of the pie. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks for everything.
Thanks, you know. Thanks.
Yeah. Where the restroom at? Where the bathroom?
Yeah. Over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. A Digicel, boy. This is I got my card with you. Digicel is, you know, I got my card. Y'all see me going there. It's Caribbean cell phone company, entertainment, mobile. We're going in the restroom. So I'm going to shut it down. All right.